Good morning everyone. It's your math class, unit number 1 set, exercise number 1B, question number 2, page number 16. Okay, we done first part A, B. Now we start part C. Okay. Rectangle box show it's a universal set. All elements are included in universal set. It's a kind of subset or superset. This Venn diagram show it's a subset and superset. According to the definition of subset and superset, when a set is fully contained in a bigger set, then it is said to be a subset of the bigger set. The bigger set is called the superset. It means set X is a superset and set Y is a subset. Rectangle box show it's a universal set. The first part, write down the elements of set U, X and Y. Okay, all elements are in this Venn diagram. All elements are included in universal set. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, all elements are included in universal set. Now set X 20, 30, 40, 60 and 90. Okay, 20, 30, 40, 60, 90 elements in set X and in set Y 20 and 30. Clear? Set X, set Y and universal set. First part done. Part 2, find A X union Y, X intersection Y, X complement, Y complement, X difference Y and Y difference X. First we solve first part, X union Y. Okay, it's a kind of subset and superset. In union, we write down all elements which is given in set X and Y, write in ascending order. Okay, X intersection union Y equal to 20, 30, 40, 60, 90, bracket close, union sign, then 20 and 30. Okay, universal set, write down all elements in ascending order. Okay, 20, 30 common elements, so we write only one time, 40, 60, 90. Correct, bracket close, answer of X union Y. Now second part, X intersection Y. The method of find the intersection, just we take out the common element between them. So first copy elements of set X, X intersection Y. Elements of set X 20, 30, 40, 60 and 90, bracket close, intersection sign. Then copy elements of set Y 20 and 30, bracket close. Okay, intersection, just we write down the common element between them. So 20, 30 common element. Okay, X intersection Y would be the answer of second part, X intersection Y. Part X complement. Okay, so find the complement U difference X. Okay, first we write down the elements of set U 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, these elements are included in universal set, difference sign, then X elements of set X, 20, 30, 40, 60 and 90. Bracket close. Now we find complement. So find the complement, cut the same element, 20, 30, 40, 60 and 90. Same element, common element, we cut it. Remaining elements of set U, 10, 50, 70, 80 would be the answer of X complement. Now next part, fourth one, part 4, find Y complement. Okay, for Y complement, first we write U difference Y. So first we copy down universal set, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, then 90. Okay, bracket close. Subtract sign, then set Y, 20 and 30. 20 and 30 elements of set Y, Y complement. Okay, cut the same element, common element, 20, 30 common element in both the sets. Remaining elements of set U, 10, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, would be the answer of X complement. Correct answer. Fifth part, X difference Y. Okay, X difference Y. So first copy down elements of set X, then elements of set Y. Elements of set X, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 90. Elements of set X, put subtract sign, then copy down elements of set Y, 20 and 30. The method of find the difference, cut the same element if we have common. Okay, one or more than common element if we have, so cut the same element. Remaining elements of first set, it means remaining elements of set Y, 20, 30 common elements, so we cut it. Remaining elements of set X would be the answer of X difference Y, 40, 50, 60, 90 would be the answer of fifth part. Now part 6, Y difference X. Okay, we find Y difference X. So first we write down elements of set Y. Okay, Y difference X, it necessary first copy down elements of set Y, 20, 30. Bracket close, subtract sign, then copy elements of set X, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 90. Bracket close, cut the same element. Okay, only 20 and 30, two elements are common. Now after cut the same element, remaining elements of set Y. But after cut the same element, there is no common element, no remaining elements. So answer null set. Okay, it's a symbol of null set. Null set would be the answer of X difference Y. Clear the method of X difference Y? We cut the same element, 20, 30 common element. Now remaining elements of set Y, but there is no remaining elements, that's why null set would be the answer of last part 6, 1.